Welcome to our presentation on growth hormone. We'll explore clinical scenario-based MCQs of physiological functions, insulin-linked growth factors, hypothalamic regulation and abnormalities of growth hormone. A 5-year-old child with GH deficiency shows short stature and delayed growth. What is the primary action of GH in promoting body growth? The correct answer is promoting growth through increased cell size and mitosis. GH promotes growth by increasing cell size, stimulating mitosis, and increasing the number of cells in tissues capable of growth, including bones and muscles. A 40-year-old male with excessive GH secretion presents with acromegaly. Which metabolic change is most likely to occur in this patient? The correct answer is decreased glucose utilization. Excess GH secretion leads to decreased glucose utilization in tissues, contributing to insulin resistance seen in acromegaly. A 16-year-old male with delayed puberty and low GH levels. How would a deficiency in GH most likely affect his growth? The correct answer is decreased growth of both bones and soft tissues. GH deficiency results in impaired growth of bones and soft tissues due to lack of stimulation for lengthening and growth. A 35-year-old male with excess GH secretion presents with acromegaly. Which metabolic effect is most likely due to his condition? The correct answer is increased fatty acid mobilization for energy. Excess GH leads to increased mobilization of fatty acids from adipose tissue, which are used for energy and can cause ketosis in severe cases. A patient with GH deficiency is given GH therapy. Which factor is essential for GH's action to promote growth? The correct answer is adequate amino acid transport to cells. Insulin is necessary for amino acid transport into cells, which is critical for protein synthesis and GH's growth-promoting effects. A 45-year-old male with chronic GH excess develops a fatty liver and insulin resistance. What is the most likely cause of these symptoms? The correct answer is increased fatty acid mobilization and ketone body formation. Excess GH leads to increased fatty acid mobilization, causing ketone body formation and fatty liver, contributing to insulin resistance. A 10-year-old child with short stature but normal GH levels. What is the most likely cause of their growth failure? The correct answer is deficiency in IGF-1. IGF-1 is essential for growth, and its deficiency can cause growth failure even when GH levels are normal or high. A 60-year-old male has a GH level of 1.2 nanograms per milliliter. Which option best explains this value? The correct answer is normal adult GH concentration. In adults, normal GH concentration ranges from 1.6 to 3 nanograms per milliliter. The value of 1.2 nanograms per milliliter is within the lower range, which is normal in older adults. In a patient with protein deficiency, kwashiorkor, which change in GH secretion is most likely? The correct answer is increased GH secretion. In protein deficiency, GH levels are elevated due to protein malnutrition and only return to normal after protein supplementation, not carbohydrates. A patient with significant weight loss and malnutrition shows elevated GH levels. Which factor most likely explains this increase in GH secretion? In the state of malnutrition, especially protein deficiency, the body increases GH secretion to promote protein synthesis and conserve cellular proteins. This mechanism helps address the nutritional deficit by promoting tissue growth and repair. A 10-year-old child presents with growth failure. Tests show normal GH levels, but IGF-1 levels are low. Which of the following is most likely the cause of the child's growth failure? This scenario is consistent with a condition such as Laren syndrome, where there is a mutation in the GH receptor, preventing GH from stimulating IGF-1 production. Although GH levels may be normal or elevated, IGF-1, which mediates the growth effects of GH, is insufficient, leading to growth failure. A patient with chronic stress develops elevated GH levels. Which of the following neurotransmitters is most likely responsible for this increase in GH secretion? Serotonin, along with dopamine and catecholamines, increases GH secretion in response to stress or emotional stimuli. These neurotransmitters stimulate the hypothalamus to release GHRH, which in turn promotes GH release from the pituitary. A 35-year-old patient presents with fatigue, weight gain, and loss of sexual function. Imaging reveals a pituitary tumor. Which of the following is the most likely diagnosis? This patient shows typical features of adult panhypopituitarism, including fatigue, weight gain, and loss of sexual function. The pituitary tumor likely affects the secretion of all anterior pituitary hormones, leading to hypothyroidism, adrenal insufficiency, and gonadotropin deficiency. A 12-year-old child presents with abnormal growth, and upon examination, the child is taller than average with large hands and feet. A pituitary tumor is diagnosed. Which of the following is the most likely condition? This patient has gigantism, which occurs when excessive GH secretion happens before the epiphyses of the long bones fuse. This leads to excessive growth of bones and tissues. Tumors of the pituitary are the most common cause of gigantism. An elderly patient undergoes growth hormone therapy and develops edema, insulin resistance, and joint pain. Which is the most likely cause of these symptoms? Growth hormone therapy in elderly patients can cause adverse effects such as insulin resistance, edema, and joint pain. These symptoms are common side effects of recombinant GH therapy, especially in healthy individuals without GH deficiency. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more clinical scenario-based MCQs.